Hello friends, in this lecture we will know about group command. So group command is used to remove the material by revolving the feature. So to understand this, first we will make some 3D object. So I go to this pad option and click on this sketch, and then I select this top plane, that is XY plane. So on this plane I will draw a circle, go to this circle and draw a circle like this. So we can draw this circle of any radius and go to exit workbench. Give it some height. Let's say I give this height 5. Click preview. Okay, 5 is good. And click OK. And then once again, to create the group we need to create some sketch. So I go to sketch option, and then this time I will select the different plane. So I can select this plane, that is ZX plane. So select this plane, and to create the group profile we need to take some references. So first of all, click on this construction mode on, and then go to project 3D elements. Select this bottom line and select this top line as a reference. Select this top line and click OK. Now we have two references, so I zoom in to have a better view. And then I go and then I draw a line. So once again the construction mode is on. I draw a line from this endpoint up to this endpoint. And then I turn off this construction mode, and now I want to create some group profile. So we can create a rectangular profile. So go to this rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. So we can take this rectangle of any dimension and click on exit workbench. So now the profile is ready. So we have to make sure the profile is proper. So I go to this sketch, make a double click on this. So make sure this is a construction profile. Click on this and make it a construction. Okay, so now it is okay, and click on exit workbench. Now we can see the profile clearly. And then I go to group option. In this group dialog window, we have to select the profile. So I select this profile, and then we need to select the axis of rotation. So the axis of rotation will be with respect to the axis of the cylinder. So the axis of the cylinder will be this axis. So take the mouse inside the cylinder, and now we can see the axis is highlighting. So select this axis and then insert the value of angle and click on preview and click OK. And now we can see our rectangular profile has been revolved 360 degree to cut this feature. So to make some more changes into this, I can make a double click on this groove, and then we can pick this angle 180 degree, and then we have similar option, like we can create this as a thick feature. We can reverse direction like this and click OK. So if I rotate this, now we can have a better preview of removing the material. So in this way we can use the group feature.